Hi everyone, this is Diane from Owl's Treasures. Today we're going to make a activated charcoal soap, one that's good for your face and body. It has olive oil, coconut, sunflower, soybean, grapeseed, castor, shea. I also have bentonite clay, kaolin clay in my oils. I have Himalayan salt in my lye water. The majority of the batch is going to be activated charcoal from Essential Depot. And my clays are from Mad Oils, and I can't remember where the other one is from. I'm also going to add some tea tree oil from Essential Depot. And let's get started. Going to pour a little bit off just for an accent color so it doesn't look quite so boring. All right. About 4 teaspoons of the activated charcoal. If you have any experience with it, it like has a mind of its own and goes everywhere. Bring our mold over. Going to add the tea tree in here. All right. For some of the black, I'm going to just do a very simple drop swirl. tea tree. If you like tea tree, this smells wonderful. It's a little on the medicinal side, but I like the smell it gives. All right. Oop. Have to say that was a first. Lost my grip on it. And made a giant mess, of course. All right. Just scraping out my bucket, getting all the goodness out of there. Trying to get a little of the white kind of everywhere. Say white, but batter colored, just for a little nice contrast. All right. All right, I think that looks good. Next will be the cutting. I'll clean the edges up a little bit and it will be good. So this is the charcoal and tea tree. Turned out very nice. A little bit of soda ash, not too bad. like the smell of the tea tree. This is 2 days later. Took it out of the mold the next day. That's really pretty. Few air bubbles though. Not too bad. It'll clean up nice. This should be really good for sensitive skin. Really like the way that turned out. Smells really good. This is also good for healing skin like acne, eczema, psoriasis. It's good for washing your face. See, a little bit of soda ash. Unless it's extremely bad, I don't really worry about that. Looks like a horseshoe. A little bit of charcoal there, but that will clean up. Well, that's really neat. Well, thank you for joining me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe. If you want to be notified when I put up a new video, hit the little bell. And have a really good day. That's kind of cool. Thank you for joining me.